Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you all guys will be fine. Welcome to my channel, The Drifters Club. Guys, I am starting a new course for you which is very informative, money back guarantee. So this course name is Shopify Dropshipping. So guys, what is dropshipping? How can we do dropshipping? And which things and requirements is needed for dropshipping? First of all, I am going to tell you that the method of dropshipping is a real business. This business model is not for those people who think for short time and short businesses. For doing dropshipping, you have a lot of patience and you also need a good strategies and good product. And you need which type of product? You need that type of product which is very up to date. So guys, if we want to do dropshipping, then we can start it with $0. But we can't get good benefit from $0 investment. But guys, if you want to do dropshipping business, then your budget will be at least $1,000. Here I will tell you why your budget should be $1,000 for doing dropshipping. So guys, if you open your store with Shopify, then the subscription of Shopify per month is $29. So if you doing dropshipping, then make sure you have entity of $1,000 whenever you stay, maybe it's UK, America. So guys, I will tell you what is the benefit of entity in dropshipping. Let's say guys, you will doing dropshipping in Pakistan, India, Oman, in such countries where Stripe doesn't work, where the payment of Shopify doesn't work. So when you integrate with third party or when you use third party merchant or PayPal, then you need entity. But again, entity is a good thing. It will the history of your business. So it's a plus point. So guys, if you want dropshipping on Shopify, then always remember that the product will be up to date. Which product is going to trending? Through influencers. You can find that in Google, TikTok. You can also find that with the influencers of different TikTokers videos. So here we talk about how and why you should have $1,000 credit for doing dropshipping. Because you need entity. Because if you are away from America or some other countries like Pakistan, India and someone else, so then only just purchasing an entity, $300 to $400 spent, and it's only one time. Then after this, some of your money will be spent on running campaigns. So if we running campaigns from our products, then we can choose our daily budget, $5 or $10. It's up to you. We don't need to purchase any product, but for safe place, we have always $300 to $400 in our credit card. So here the question is that why we should always keep $300 to $400 in our debit card. So the reason is that when the customer customer places order through us, then we should always keep $300 to $400 in our credit card for super dropshipping, for buying a product, so that the customer can get their order and we get our money. So technically we can't buy product in dropshipping. Just creating a Shopify store, creating a theme, design our store, beautiful templates, and then next we connect our store with CG dropshipping and super dropshipping. So guys, here I suggest you shouldn't do dropshipping with AliExpress because it's a very long shipping process. CG dropshipping and super dropshipping has their fastest shipping method. Sometimes you shouldn't go to prices that these things are very in low price in AliExpress, and no, it's a not good thing. You go to a long term period, so it's okay. Give a good services, but the customer can get their product very quickly. So the model of successful dropshipping is that you get $1,000 per month. No, it's not a good thing. You will be a good dropshipper and successful in this business when you will get a return back customer. Let's say I buy a product from your store, but I get my product very late. So I will never buy any product from your shop again. In Shopify and any other website where you build a shop, all these websites have a very strong API system. All these websites have a very strong analytics. Also their conversion rate is very strong, that it has record of every customer, seller and product. So it's not that it is a repeat customer, it is a regular customer, and it is a new customer. So make sure guys, if you want to adopt a successful dropshipping method in long term, then make sure that you should have a permanent customer. And secondly, if you want to become successful in dropshipping, then so make sure your ad campaign conversion rate. So you always should make a productive video for running campaigns on YouTube. So guys, in next lecture we will that how can we create our store on Shopify Dropshipping and also many more other things. So keep motivated and keep exploring.